This assembly video is for GEO R Series, R Series Pro, and R Series Pro Plus sumps. Some of the accessories shown in this video may not be available for your model. Your GEO's R Series sump will arrive to your home in a securely packaged shipping box with the accessories box located in the skimmer chamber. Inside of your sump, you will find the accessories that come with your model, such as filter socks, manifold, and any additional accessories purchased. The accessories will be individually packed and consist of the downpipes, silencers, bubble trap, GEO universal float holder, plumbing, and lids. Please note, it is important to install your new sump on a flat surface. We recommend placing a 1/4 inch styrofoam sheet or 1/8 inch neoprene mat underneath your sump. To install the downpipes, make sure the vents are facing towards the filter socks. Angle the downpipes so that they can slide into position, then press the downpipe into each bulkhead. Be careful to not push too hard and crack the acrylic. Gluing the downpipes are not required. You will receive 4-inch filter socks with your R Series sump. Place each filter sock into the filter sock holder. The plastic ring on the sock should fit flush with the top of the holder. Your filter socks should be cleaned regularly. Some hobbyists purchase extra socks to allow for weekly changing. The silencers will keep your sump quiet while water flows through your filter socks. These silencers fit snugly inside of your socks. Make sure the blue emergency overflow pipe is facing upwards. The skimmer chamber of your R Series sump will accommodate a skimmer, probes, dosing lines, and heaters. The adjustable baffle can adjust the water level between 7 to 12 inches depending on the recommended height for your skimmer. The bubble trap consists of the grate and 20 ppi foam pad. First, place the grate on the white pegs, then place the foam pad on top of the grate. The GEO universal float holder will come with an acrylic rod, 1 pressure tube holder, and 2 float holders. To install the GEO universal float holder, slide the holders onto the acrylic rod, making sure the hexagon cutouts are facing down. Slide the GEO universal float holder assembly into the sump and tighten the screws on the bottom and top. The ATO plumbing will come with mini bulkheads, 1/4 inch RO line, and 1/2 inch ID vinyl tubing to connect to your ATO pump. Insert the mini bulkheads into their designated holes with the O-ring on top of the frame. Hand tightening is all that is needed. Using the quick connect fittings, insert the 1/4 inch RO line into the fitting, making sure that the line is completely seated in the fitting. Remove the lid on the ATO reservoir to allow easy access to the GEO universal optical sensor holder and RO line. Slide the GEO universal optical sensor holder assembly into the sump and tighten the screws on the bottom and top. Take the 1/2 inch ID vinyl hose with the quick connect fitting and slide it onto the 1/4 inch RO line inside of the ATO reservoir. This hose will then slide onto your ATO pump. Place the return manifold into the top of the sump. First add the bulkhead seal, then hand tighten the bulkhead lock nut. Now insert the refugium feed pipe. The uniseal has been lubricated for ease of installation. With a twisting motion and a small amount of downward pressure, insert the pipe until the elbow comes in contact with the uniseal. Insert the return pipe from the reactor like you did for the refugium feed pipe, and make sure the elbow comes in contact with the uniseal. Place the reactor into its designated area with the thumb screws lined up with the small holes in the sump. Once the reactor is aligned, connect the unions from the manifold to the reactor. You can now insert the lid for the return chamber of the sump. Place the check valve on the end of the return pipe that comes from the reactor. The arrow on the check valve should always point downwards. The reactor and manifold are now complete. Place the skimmer chamber lid on the sump and place it over the filter socks and silencers to help with noise and evaporation. The refugium LED comes with the GEO R Series Pro sump. Simply remove the two black screws on top of the refugium chamber and insert the LED brackets. Tighten the screws down so that the bracket doesn't move. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to secure the bracket. Once the brackets have been installed, slide the refugium LED from the front to back. Your GEO R Series sump has now been assembled. GEO also offers return pumps, ATO pumps, and heaters for your sump. The Ecotech Vectra M1 pump comes with pre-assembled plumbing for your R Series sump and is a true plug-and-play system. First attach the pump outlet fitting to the pump. Then glue the union plumbing to the sump manifold, making sure to align the pump and manifold plumbing. After the glue is dried, connect the two unions together. Tighten the pump outlet fitting on the Ecotech Vectra M1 pump. Move the power cord into the cord holder under the manifold. The ATO reservoir harness can accommodate a number of small pumps, such as the Sicce Syncra 0.5, or it can be removed and pumps like the Neptune Systems utility pump can be directly connected. To connect the Neptune Systems utility pump, simply slide the quick connect fitting onto the 1/4 inch RO line. Slide the utility pump power cord into the cord holder and close the lid. To install heaters in your R Series sump, simply remove the black O-rings on the heater holder, starting with the top O-rings. Place your first heater in the bottom location and reattach the black O-rings. Make sure the heater cable is facing the adjustable baffle. Place a second heater in the top holder location and reattach the black O-rings. Move the heater power cords into the cord holder. Thank you for watching. For additional information, please visit our website, www.geosreef.com.